What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be taking off private jets from the carrier. Anyway, we're gonna start really small by going with the Cirrus Vision jet. This is an SF-50. Last time I checked. Flaps down. I don't see why we couldn't take off. This isn't a really fast plane. Yep, this was easy for our little Cirrus jet. Bye-bye, bozo. Rip. Anyways, let's move on. Yeah, the SF-50. Comment if I miss any, by the way. And these are going to be private jets, remember. CRJ 200. Alrighty, let's get it. Once it loads in. To Bolivia. Hi, my little alpha jet. He just sunk. And there he is again. Like magic, he reappeared. Oh! 4 out of 4. We're landing flaps, technically. But, you know, we're not landing. And we're taking off. And I don't want to use the takeoff flap amount. So, tail strike. That hurt. I can't see why we can't take off. Oh, but we couldn't! How? Did I? How did I just... Did I just open a door? No, seriously. Did I just... What? What? How did I... Okay, oh, it's X, I think. 4 out of 4. Where is my correct camera? I think that's it. Yeah, this is the correct one. Oh, come on! Yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah! And the camera keeps switching on the Bolivia CRJ 200. Just in case you forgot what we were flying right now. Really good acceleration. I think we need to get to 150 just to take off. Which will be great, but I don't think we're getting to 150 today. I think we're getting to about not even 100. Nope! The CRJ 200 couldn't do it. Let's try the CRJ 700. I don't know what airline this is. I think it's United. Oh yeah, I did this in my airliner video. Since this, yes, is technically an airliner. I mean, look at it. I mean, what? How couldn't it be an airliner, really? 3, 4, 5. Let's go! CRJ 700 now, so it's bigger. Better. At Douglas DC-3. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know, guys. It's gonna be close. Ah, nope. Okay. CRJ 700 couldn't do it. I think there's also a CRJ 900 somewhere. We gotta fly all of these Embrarers. Okay, starting with the E90. Oh my word. It's just like a 737. Goodness. Why is it just sitting like that? That is what I'm not exactly understanding here. What the heck? What is it doing? We just have to take off like this then. Because I cannot... What the heck? No, don't tell... Okay, this one is unflyable. I'm sorry. Okay. E95? Or is this the one I'm already flying? No. Oops. My bad. Oh! That is like a full-on airliner, bro. Okay, so this is a KLM 7 notches of flaps. We cannot reverse. This is like a 737, but it's the city hopping, which is really weird because where am I going? Oh my lord! Oh boy. Oh boy, I don't think we're gonna. This one couldn't reverse, which is really concerning. Yep. Only about 200,000 to go. This one is not exactly loading, so I can't do this. ERJ 70, will this load? And loaded in the water. Where did the carrier go? Like, where is the carrier? Why is there no carrier? Like, where's the carrier? I need the carrier. I can't open the carrier. That's better. Yes, this one actually backs up. No. How many delta signs? Oh, that's not a delta sign. My bad. Oh, no. Let's go. 5 out of 5 flaps. Still the same exact DC3 and the SC35. The same, whatever. Oh, my bad. Are we taking off? Oh, it just couldn't do it. Why can't they do it? Breathe Airways. Let's go. Huh? What is that? How did bro do that? Like 4 out of 4 flaps. What the? Oh, okay. That actually kind of jump scared me, not gonna lie. I don't usually get jump scared. Jump scaring is not a common thing you can do to me. Especially when you're flying like that SU-30. You rewind that 5 seconds. Like, you'll see some gnarly stuff, bro. Oh, we are on the edge. We have our flaps down, but I don't know. Okay, the Breeze Airways one is definitely fast. We might get to our minimum takeoff speed. Pull up. Oh, wait. Oh! Oh! Guys, we did it! The Breeze Airways! I think it's the E75, E175. It did it, though! How did it? Okay, I am just absolutely flabbergasted. Oh, the bozo wants to go under the sea. I want to see the pineapple under the sea. Ah! I wanted to go see a pineapple. So it's the 195. Okay, it's time for the last Embrarer. E145. Let's do it. Back up. Back up. What the? I am sorry, but this did not happen on all the other ones. This is like an Airbus type thing. Like, Airbus has their reverse thrusters like that, and I know that because I'm not that smart. Or at least my grades are high. Can't judge me for that. They're relatively high. But, whatever. Why am I talking about my grades? What the heck? Is that like the weirdest thing to talk about these days? No! No! We almost lost this! Alright, flaps down. Oh, why are we not going max speed? My bad. I don't know, this one's pretty fast, but we're running out of runway fast, too. I don't know. The E-195 by the Breeze Airways Oh! Oh, we did it! Oh, we did it! No actual way. Okay, so the last two Embrarers actually did it. And he wants to go join his brother as well, so maybe he'll see him there. Whee! Embrarer phenom went up. Seriously, how many Embrarers am I gonna run into today? Like, really, it's irritating me. Let's see if we can take off a boot. Just cause, why not? We'll put the flaps down. Flaps down. Immediate. What the? I'm shouting. You don't get your cheeks down. What do you mean? You're not shouting. Well, if you don't get your cheeks down here, I'm gonna kill you. Be right down. Just shut up. Please. Sorry, it's my really annoying brother, and he wants me to get my knee down there, so downstairs. So I'm gonna have to end the video here, guys. I'm really sorry. So, yep, I'll make another one with a new kind of plane. Adios, amigos. See you in the next.